Everyone wants to have a healthy brain, but as we grow older, we tend to disregard our brain health. Our brain functions can become slower with aging, but luckily there are a lot of ways to help keep your brain young and prevent poor brain function. So join us today as we discuss methods to keep your brain young and healthy. The most wonderful organ in your body is undoubtedly your brain. It generates original methods for you to convey your ideas and feelings, plans to move from running an obstacle course to cutting onions, stores your most priceless childhood memories, and answers the Sunday crossword. However, it's simple to take those abilities for granted. As you get older, your body and brain go through natural changes. There are certain things you can do to assist decrease any memory loss and reduce your chance of getting Alzheimer's disease or other forms of dementia. Many people don't begin to consider their brain health until they begin to experience memory loss and cognitive impairments in their 60s or 70s. But you may take a lot of steps to maintain your brain's health throughout your lifetime, starting as early as childhood. We are aware that engaging in intellectual activities, interacting with others, and perhaps most importantly, exercising regularly can help one maintain mental acuity. Before we continue, a brief request from us. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss our valuable content on health in the future. Now off to the methods to keep your brain young and healthy. Number 1. Mind-stimulating activities. Studious activities have been discovered to trigger new connections between nerve cells. They may even help the brain produce new cells, establishing neurological plasticity and accumulating a functional reserve that acts as a safety net against future cell loss, according to studies with mice and people. Any action that stimulates your mind should strengthen it. Try quote-unquote brain gymnastics like word puzzles or math problems. Read, enroll in classes, and experiment with activities like sketching, painting, and other crafts that call for both mental dexterity and cerebral work. Number 2. Improve your diet. Your diet significantly affects the health of your brain. Think about adopting a diet similar to those of the Mediterranean ones. These places have an emphasis on plant-based foods, whole grains, seafood, and healthy fats like olive oil. Compared to the usual American diet, it has far less salt and red meats. According to studies, those who adhere to a strict Mediterranean diet are less likely to develop Alzheimer's disease. To find out which dietary components have the most effects on your brain function, more study is required. We do, however, know that omega fatty acids, which are present in extra virgin olive oil, and other healthy fats are essential for your cells to function properly. These appear to lower your risk of coronary artery disease, improve concentration, and slow cognitive decline in older people. Number 3. Build social connections. Social connection prevents despair and stress, two conditions that might worsen memory loss. If you live alone, look for ways to interact with family, friends, and other people, as solitary confinement has been linked to brain atrophy in studies. Maintaining a social life may have the opposite impact and promote brain health. Number 4. Regular physical exercise. Regular physical exercise improves the brain. Exercise has several established advantages. Numerous studies have shown that persons who are physically active have a decreased chance of getting Alzheimer's disease and are less likely to have a loss in their mental function. Exercise increases the blood flow to your brain. Moreover, it helps to mitigate some of the expected declines in brain connectivity that happens with age, thereby correcting some of these notorious issues. Aim to work out for 30 to 60 minutes multiple times each week. You may raise your heart rate by walking, swimming, playing tennis, or engaging in any other mild aerobic activity. Number 5. Control blood sugar levels. Diabetes is a significant dementia risk factor. By maintaining a healthy weight, exercising frequently, and eating sensibly, you can definitely help prevent diabetes. However, if your blood sugar level doesn't come down, you'll need to take medication. Number 6. Protect your head. It is crucial to protect your head from any physical injuries. Even without known concussions, moderate to severe head traumas raise the chance of cognitive decline. Number 7. Get enough sleep. Your brain's health is greatly impacted by sleep. According to some ideas, sleep enhances memory retention and brain health by removing aberrant proteins from the brain and consolidating learned information. Your goal should be to sleep 7 to 8 hours straight every night, rather than in 2 or 3 hour intervals. Your brain needs uninterrupted sleep in order to efficiently integrate and remember memories. You may have trouble sleeping for long stretches of time if you have sleep apnea, which is bad for the health of your brain. If you or any of your family members believe that you have sleep apnea, consult with a medical professional. Number 8. Care for your emotional self. On cognitive function tests, people who are stressed, depressed, sleep-deprived, or fatigued frequently do badly. Although some low scores don't always indicate a higher risk of cognitive impairment as people age, maintaining excellent mental health and getting enough sleep are unquestionably significant objectives. Number 9. Control cholesterol levels. There is a link between high low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol levels and a higher risk of dementia. Diet, exercise, and maintaining a healthy weight, as well as abstaining from cigarette use, will all significantly lower your cholesterol levels. Ask your doctor about medication though if you require any more assistance. Number 10. Avoid tobacco. According to research, smokers' cerebral cortexes were thinner than those of non-smokers. In other words, smoking was robbing smokers of their gray matter. This is significant because the cerebral cortex, a region of the brain essential for cognitive abilities like memory and learning, is a region in which thickness matters. Studies also suggest that other chemicals in tobacco smoke, such as acetaldehyde, may increase nicotine's effect on the brain. Number 11. Control blood pressure. The risk of cognitive loss in old age increases with midlife high blood pressure. Change your way of life to lower your blood pressure as much as you can. Maintain a healthy weight, do regular exercises, consume no more than 2 glasses of alcohol each day, and manage your stress. Number 12. Look into low-dose aspirin. Low-dose aspirin may lower the incidence of dementia, especially vascular dementia. However, it is important to consult your doctor before taking part in this method to improve your brain's health. Lastly, number 13. Avoid excessive use of alcohol. People who consume significant amounts of alcohol over extended periods of time face the danger of experiencing substantial and long-lasting alterations in their brain. Alcohol's direct effects on the brain may cause harm, or it may happen indirectly as a result of your poor general health or severe liver illnesses. Also, excessive drinking can be a major risk factor for dementia. Therefore, try to limit yourself to 2 drinks a day if you drink regularly. That concludes our video on the best methods to keep your brain young and healthy. Be reminded that this video is primarily for information only, and we do not claim to provide medical advice that is tailor-suited to your needs. Also, remember to consult with a medical professional and seek personalized healthcare that will fit you. Additionally, please leave a like, subscribe, and click that bell button to receive information on our new health-related videos. If you want to watch more of our content, check out this video in the lower right corner. You can also check out our playlist of related content. Anyway, see you later and thank you for watching.